Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a music layer in VN. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on the project here. And after that, you can just press on a music layer and press on replace. And you can replace it with a different music, for example. Download it and press on use. Press on the checkmark symbol and it's going to be replaced with that music layer. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.